Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, we are looking at two sealed vessels and the same reaction occurring in both of them. The reaction is solid PbO2 forming solid PbO plus molecular oxygen as a gas, O2. The first things we're asked about these two vessels is whether there will be less PbO2 in the vessels after they've been heated and come to equilibrium. For both of the vessels, we're starting off with all PbO2 as a solid. So when they're heated and the equilibrium is allowed to happen, the amount of solid PbO2 is going to have to go down in order for some amount of PbO and O2 to form. So we can look at both letter A and letter B and say, even if we don't know the exact equilibrium constant, we know at least a little bit of that PbO2 is going to have to be consumed in order to form the products. So we can look at the first two letters and say that both of those are true. For the last part, we have to assess whether the amount of PbO2 left behind in both vessels is the same after they've come to equilibrium. For this one, let's consider the only difference between vessel A and vessel B. Vessel B has more volume, and when there's more volume, there's more space for gases such as O2 to form. So if we're going to have more of our oxygen forming, in order for that to happen, we're going to have less of our starting material. Therefore, we expect when this has come to equilibrium, the amount of PbO2 left behind in vessel B will be less than the amount left behind in vessel A, since vessel B has more volume to accommodate for the gas. As a result, this is false.